Welcome, fellow travelers, to an adventure unlike any other, a passage through the corridors of history, where every step echoes with stories from the distant past. Today, we invite you on a journey that transcends both distance and time, connecting us to the very roots of civilization. We'll wander through the world's oldest cities, places where history breathes through ancient stones, where bustling streets have witnessed countless generations, and where every corner holds a secret waiting to be discovered. These remarkable cities have stood as silent witnesses to the birth of civilizations, the rise and fall of empires, and the unfolding of human stories over thousands of years. Our voyage will reveal the wonders of ancient walls that have protected generations, sacred temples where prayers have echoed for centuries, and lively markets that have thrived for millennia, bustling with life and tradition. So, let curiosity be your guide, as we unlock the secrets of 12 extraordinary cities, each one a living testament to humanity's enduring spirit, resilience, and the timeless allure of our shared past. In the heart of the Jordan Valley lies Jericho, the oldest continuously inhabited city on Earth. Here, layers of civilization have been built for over 10,000 years. The city's ancient walls and Neolithic towers whisper tales of early urban life. Jericho has been a crossroads for traders, pilgrims, and conquerors. The oasis remains a living archive, inviting travelers to witness the dawn of civilization. On Lebanon's sun-drenched Mediterranean coast, where the sea meets ancient stone, lies Byblos, a city whose history stretches back over 7,000 years. Byblos hums with stories of ancient mariners, traders, and scholars who once walked these winding streets. The city's vibrant markets and lively squares echo with the footsteps of countless generations. Byblos played a pivotal role in the development of writing, its name forever linked to the word Bible. Here, the Phoenicians created one of the world's earliest alphabets, a revolutionary script that shaped the course of human communication. The harbor, once crowded with Phoenician ships laden with cedar and papyrus, still greets gentle waves. Archeological sites reveal temples, Roman columns, and remnants of bustling trade that connected Byblos to distant civilizations. Medieval walls rise above layered ruins, each stone telling a story, layer upon layer of civilization, from the Bronze Age to the Crusaders. Today, Byblos is a living city where the past and present coexist in harmony. Visitors wander through ancient streets, discovering the roots of language and the enduring spirit of a city that continues to inspire the world. In Damascus, the Pearl of the East, civilizations have converged for millennia. Its old city, with labyrinthine alleys and bustling markets, offers a glimpse into a rich tapestry of cultures. Mosques and churches stand side by side, their domes rising above ancient streets. The Umayyad Mosque, one of the world's oldest, bears witness to centuries of devotion. To walk in Damascus is to feel the pulse of history beneath your feet. Aleppo rises from the plains of northern Syria, defined by resilience and history. Its ancient citadel dominates the skyline, a testament to strategic importance and indomitable spirit. Generations of rulers, from Greeks to Ottomans, have left their mark within its walls. The city's souks once thrived, with merchants trading silks, spices, and stories. Despite recent scars, Aleppo's spirit endures, a reminder that hope persists even in adversity. In southwestern Iran, Susa's legacy stretches back over 6,000 years. Once the capital of mighty empires, its ruins offer silent testament to ages past. Ziggurats and palaces have witnessed the rise and fall of dynasties. Susa's role as a crossroads made it a melting pot of languages and ideas. Today, its tranquil surroundings invite us to ponder the impermanence of power and the beauty of creativity. In Bulgaria, Plovdiv stands as a mosaic of civilizations shaped by Thracians, Romans, Byzantines, and Ottomans. Its ancient Roman theater still hosts performances beneath the open sky. Old Town's cobbled streets reveal colorful houses, ornate churches, and ancient fortifications. Plovdiv's vibrant blend of East and West is visible in its architecture and culture. Here, history is a living part of everyday life, connecting past and present. On the banks of the Ganges lies Varanasi, the spiritual heart of India. For over 3,000 years, pilgrims have flocked to its ghats to cleanse their souls. The city's alleys buzz with life, devotion, and vibrant rituals. Temples echo with bells, incense drifts through the air, and the river glimmers with floating candles. Despite the chaos, Varanasi offers moments of profound peace, a reminder of the enduring quest for meaning. Towering above Athens, the Acropolis stands as a beacon of human achievement. Philosophers like Socrates and Plato once strolled here, shaping Western thought. The Parthenon inspires awe, a symbol of harmony and beauty. Ancient ruins coexist with modern life, and every corner holds reminders of the city's illustrious past. Athens is a living dialogue between past and future, built on the dreams of those who came before. On the Nile's banks, Luxor rises as a city of wonders, once known as Thebes. The temples of Karnak and Luxor stand as silent witnesses to the grandeur of the pharaohs. Across the river, the Valley of the Kings cradled Egypt's greatest rulers. Modern Luxor thrives amidst ancient splendors, with riverboats and bustling markets. To wander Luxor is to step into a world where myth and history are intertwined. Along the Mediterranean, Sidon stands as a testament to the Phoenicians' enduring legacy. Once a thriving port, Sidon was famed for its sailors and artisans. Crusader castles rise above the shoreline, while Phoenician temples lie beneath the earth. The city's souks are alive, with the scent of spices and the chatter of merchants. Sidon's layered history is reflected in its diverse architecture and vibrant community. Beyond the Nile's valley lies Fayum, an ancient oasis nurturing life for thousands of years. Its vast lake, Birket Karun, shimmers under the desert sun, a lifeline for generations. The ruins of temples and pyramids tell stories of pharaohs and priests. Fayum remains a sanctuary for wildlife and a refuge for travelers seeking tranquility. In southeastern Turkey, Gaziantep is a city where the past is savored in every bite and stone. The Zugma Mosaic Museum houses breathtaking Roman mosaics, capturing scenes of daily life and myth. Bustling bazaars are filled with the aroma of spices and baklava, a culinary tradition steeped in history. The city's old quarters invite exploration, revealing a crossroads of cultures and flavors. Here, history is passionately lived, woven into the fabric of daily life. Thank you for joining this immersive journey through cities where history still echoes through every stone street and weathered wall. These ancient places are more than just relics of the past. They are living legacies, connecting us to the dreams, struggles, and triumphs of those who came before us. As we wandered through sunlit plazas and vibrant city squares, we witnessed the enduring grandeur and remarkable creativity of civilizations that shaped our world. Each city, with its unique character and timeless beauty, invites us to walk in the footsteps of visionaries, artists, and everyday people who built these wonders. Exploring these storied streets, we are reminded that history is not just something to study, but something to experience and cherish. Every stone, every archway, and every bustling market tells a story of resilience and hope. If you're inspired by these journeys and the enduring spirit of ancient cities, subscribe for more uplifting travel stories that celebrate the wonders of our world and the people who keep their stories alive. Together, let's continue to discover the beauty and diversity of our planet, honoring the past, while embracing the adventures that await us in the present and future. Until our next journey, may you find inspiration, wonder, and adventure wherever you roam.